How to add multiple photos on Snapchat story. Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video we're gonna learn how we can add multiple photos on our Snapchat story. So without any delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So first thing first, you need to open up the Snapchat application onto your device. After that, you'll be able to see this kind of interface on your screen. So the next step, what you need to do is simply head over to this section at your home screen. You can see this photo section at the left side, at the bottom, this one right here. Just tap on it and here you'll be able to see your memories. So what you're going to do is simply select the picture, select multiple pictures from here. So what you're going to do next is simply tap on this blue icon here. After that, you'll be able to see this my story option. So what you're going to do is simply tap on my story. After that, it says add to your story. Just confirm it by tapping on OK and simply hit this blue icon with the arrow and you should be able to see your multiple stories or multiple photos on your Snapchat story very easily. When you get back to your profile and tap on your profile at the top right, and your audience you have chosen will able to see your stories at once. So therefore just follow this method and you should be able to add multiple photos on your Instagram story very easily. So I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.